everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center. I'm Jessica, and I'm so excited to have you with us today.
And I'm Mike. Hello to all our amazing listeners out there. Whether you're cooking, walking, or just relaxing at home, we've got something really fun for you today.
Absolutely, Mike. Today we are going to talk about English phrases for shopping, perfect for beginners who want to feel confident in stores, markets, or even when shopping online.
Shopping is something we all do, right? And knowing a few simple phrases in English can make the experience so much easier and much more fun.
That's right. Imagine you go into a store and you want something but don't know how to ask. It can feel a little scary. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll have all the basic phrases you need to shop like a pro.
And the great thing is, these phrases are easy to remember. Plus, they are polite and friendly, which always makes a good impression.
Exactly. So let's start with something very simple. Greetings when you enter a shop.
Yes, when you walk into a store, always start with a greeting. You can say hello, or good morning, or good afternoon.
And remember, a smile goes a long way. People love friendly customers.
Absolutely. And if you want to ask for help, the simplest way is to say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Or if you're looking for something specific, you can say, I'm looking for item. For example, I'm looking for a blue shirt, or I'm looking for fresh tomatoes.
Even just saying, "Excuse me, I need some help," works perfectly. Most shopkeepers are happy to assist.
Exactly. And don't be shy. Asking for help is normal.
All right, now let's talk about something very important when shopping, asking about prices.
Oh yes, there are a few easy phrases you can use. The most common is, how much is this?
Or if you want to be extra polite, you can say, "Excuse me, how much is this, please?" Always remember please and thank you. They're magic words.
That's right. And if you want to compare prices, you can ask, is this cheaper than that one? Or do you have a discount?
Everyone loves a discount, right? And if you're at a market, you can even try a little friendly bargaining. Can you make it a little cheaper?
Exactly. And remember, your tone should be polite and friendly. No one likes being rude while shopping.
Now, let's move on to asking about sizes and colors, especially in clothing stores.
Yes, if you see something you like, you can ask, do you have this in a medium? Or do you have this in a different color?
And for shoes, do you have this in size 9? Or can I try these on?
Trying on clothes or shoes is very common, so don't hesitate.
Totally. And remember, asking questions shows you are interested in the item, which shopkeepers always appreciate.
Another useful thing is asking about the quality or details of a product. For example, in a clothing store, you could ask, is this material cotton? Or is this shirt machine washable?
And in a grocery store, you might ask, are these apples organic? Or when do these vegetables expire?
Asking questions is a great way to learn new vocabulary too. Every time you ask about a product, you practice English without even thinking about it.
Exactly. Now let's talk about how to ask for payment options.
After you've chosen your items, you need to pay. You can ask, can I pay by card? Or do you accept cash?
And if you want a receipt, you can say, "Can I have the receipt, please?"
Mike, I love it when you say please. Always polite.
You know me, politeness is key. And sometimes stores even ask, "Would you like to pay contactless?"
Yes, and if they do, you can say, yes, thank you. Or no, I'll pay with cash.
Simple. And don't forget to say thank you when you receive your items or your bag. Politeness goes a long way in English-speaking countries.
Absolutely. And you can even add a little small talk while shopping. For example, it's a busy day today, isn't it?
Or, these apples look really fresh. Or, I love the colors of this shirt.
Small talk like this not only improves your English, but also makes shopping more fun.
And even if it feels a little awkward at first, don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere.
Right. Practice is the key. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Another tip is to repeat phrases in different ways. For example, instead of always saying, "How much is this?" you can also say, "What's the price of this item?"
Or, can you tell me the cost of this? It's the same meaning but slightly different words, which helps you sound more natural.
And when asking for sizes, instead of saying, "Do you have this in medium?" you can also say, "I need a medium size. Do you have one?"
Yes, and for trying on, "Can I try this on?" can also be, "Is it possible to try this?"
Using different phrases makes your English sound more flexible and natural.
And shopping is a great way to learn everyday vocabulary too. For example, words like bag, receipt, discount, price, size, color, organic, fresh, and so many more.
Exactly. Every store you visit is like a mini classroom.
And if you're nervous about speaking English, start with simple phrases and gradually add more. For example, greet the shopkeeper first, then ask for help, then ask the price, step by step.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Most people will understand you, and that's what matters.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. And remember, shopping is not just about buying things, it's also about practicing your English in real life.
All right, let's do a mini role play to help our listeners practice.
Great idea! I'll be the customer and you'll be the shopkeeper.
Perfect.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
We have a few blue shirts here. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the fitting room?
Right this way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was easy, wasn't it? And you can practice this role play at home too.
Exactly, and try changing the items, sizes, and colors to make it more fun.
Another tip is to practice asking about discounts. For example,
You can say, "Do you have a discount on this item?" Or, "Is there a special offer today?"
and if the answer is yes, you can say, "Great, I'll take it."
Shopping in English can be fun if you know these phrases.
One more thing, when paying, you can ask politely, "Can I pay in cash?" or "Can I pay by card?"
And don't forget, after paying, always say thank you.
And if you want to leave a good impression, you can add, "Have a nice day."
Perfect, friendly, and polite.
All right, everyone, let's quickly recap all the phrases we learned today. Greeting the shopkeeper, "Hello, good morning." Asking for help, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Or, "I'm looking for item." Asking about prices, "How much is this?" Or, "Do you have a discount?" Sizes and colors, "Do you have this in medium?" Or, "Can I try this on?" Asking about product details, "Is this cotton?" Or, "Are these organic?" Payment, "Can I pay by card?" "Can I have the receipt, please?" Small talk, "It's a busy day today, isn't it? These apples look fresh." Polite words, "Please," "Thank you," "Have a nice day."
That's a lot of useful phrases. If you practice these, shopping in English will feel much easier.
And remember, every time you go shopping, it's a chance to practice your English in real life. Even small conversations help a lot.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center.
And share it with your friends who want to improve their English too.
See you next time for more beginner-friendly English lessons. Bye!
Bye, everyone. Happy shopping.